Welcome to Review Rumble. The best golf cart decals is probably one of the most exciting ways to personalize your ride and make it stand out from the crowd, whether you're hitting the golf course, cruising through your neighborhood, or using it for work. These aren't just stickers, they're a statement, a way to express your style, add a touch of flair, or even promote your business with custom branding. From sleek racing stripes and rugged camouflage patterns to personalized monograms and vibrant graphics, the options are virtually limitless, allowing you to transform your standard golf cart into a unique reflection of your personality or brand identity. Number 5. Mossy Oak Graphics Camouflage Golf Cart Wrap. Transform your golf cart with our premium camouflage wrap. It features authentic mossy oak patterns for a rugged, natural look. Installing this wrap is a breeze. Its air release technology ensures a smooth, bubble-free finish, even on curves. Enjoy vibrant camouflage for years to come. Our 3M vinyl is engineered to resist fading, maintaining its look for up to 5 years. Crafted from high-quality 3M cast vinyl, this wrap offers exceptional durability. It's designed to resist peeling, shrinking, and cracking. When it's time for a change, removal is simple. It leaves no sticky residue behind, keeping your golf cart's original finish intact. Designed for versatility, it conforms to various golf cart styles. This includes popular brands like Club Car, Yamaha, EZGO, and Polaris. What we like. This wrap offers a hassle-free installation with air release technology for a smooth finish. Its no-fade 3M vinyl ensures longevity, maintaining its appearance for up to 5 years. If you're looking to give your golf cart a rugged, natural look that lasts without the commitment of permanent paint, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for hunters or anyone who loves the outdoors and wants their cart to blend in. What people say. The decals are a perfect fit for my golf cart. The design is very detailed and looks great on my cart. Easy to apply and they have held up well through rain and sun. Number 4. MAOFAED Golfer Gift Golf Cart Keychain. Looking for the perfect gift for the golfer in your life? MAOFAED has you covered with this unique present. This keychain features a fun and distinctive golf cart design. It's a playful nod to their favorite pastime. The "This is how I roll" inscription adds a personal touch. It's a reminder of their passion, wherever they go. Crafted with quality materials, this keychain is built to last. It's both a practical accessory and a stylish statement piece. Attach it to keys, bags, or golf gear. This accessory is sure to bring a smile to any golf enthusiast's face. Surprise them with a gift that celebrates their love for golf. It's a thoughtful present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. What we like. This keychain is a fun and quirky accessory for any golf enthusiast. It's a great conversation starter and a small way to show off your passion for the game. If you're looking for a unique gift for a golfer in your life, or just want a fun addition to your own keys, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys a good laugh and loves golf. What people say. The decals are easy to apply and have held up well through various weather conditions. The design options are fantastic, offering a wide range of styles to match any golf cart. The material is durable and has not faded or peeled after several months of use. Number 3. Antego 18x8.50-8 ATW003 Golf Cart Tire and Wheel Assemblies. Get a full set of 4 pre-mounted tire and wheel assemblies. These are ready to install on your compatible golf cart or lawn equipment. Designed as the ideal replacement for your existing golf cart tires and wheels. They are specifically sized for an 18x8.50-8 tire and rim combination. Experience smooth handling and steady traction with the non-directional turf tread. It's designed for low impact on various surfaces like courses, paths, and yards. These assemblies feature an 18x8.50-8 tire size on 8x7 matte black steel wheels. They have a 4-bolt fitment and a load capacity of 815 pounds per tire. Please confirm your tire size, wheel dimensions, and bolt pattern before purchasing. These are intended for off-road and golf cart use only. What we like. This set provides a complete solution for replacing your golf cart tires and wheels, coming pre-mounted for your convenience. The 4-ply turf tread is designed for smooth handling and minimal impact on the course. If you need a reliable and durable replacement for your golf cart or lawn equipment, and prioritize smooth operation and turf protection, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for regular golf course use or maintaining your property. What people say. The decals are a perfect fit for my golf cart. Easy to apply and they look great. High quality material that has held up well in the sun. Number 2. Vampire Machine Black Golf Cart Wheels and Tires Combo. Elevate your golf cart's look and performance with this premium wheel and tire combo. Experience a smoother, more stylish ride on and off the course. Featuring a striking machined and black finish, these wheels are designed to turn heads. The low-profile tires offer enhanced handling and a comfortable ride. This package includes everything you need: 4 10 by 7-inch wheels, 4 205/50/10 low-profile tires, chrome center caps, and chrome lug nuts for a seamless upgrade. Crafted for durability and designed for style, these wheels and tires are built to last. Enjoy a significant aesthetic and functional improvement to your golf cart. Transform your golf cart with this all-in-one solution. It's the perfect way to add a touch of luxury and improve your driving experience. What we like. This combo offers a stylish upgrade with its low-profile tires and sleek machined black aluminum wheels. The included chrome center caps and lug nuts add a touch of flair. If you're aiming for a sportier, more aggressive look for your golf cart and want improved handling with a stylish aesthetic, this is the set for you. It's perfect for those who want their cart to stand out and perform with a modern edge. What people say. The decals are very easy to apply and look great on the golf cart. The quality of the material is excellent, and they have held up well through various weather conditions. The design options are fantastic, offering a wide variety to match any style. Number 1. How I Roll Golf Cart T-shirt. Introducing the How I Roll Golf Cart T-shirt. Perfect for the golfer who enjoys a good laugh on the course. Show off your sense of humor with this unique tee. This shirt is designed for golfers who love to have a good time. It's a great way to express your personality while playing your favorite sport. Get ready for some smiles. Stand out from the crowd with this distinctive t-shirt. It combines your passion for golf with a playful message. A must-have for any casual golfer. Not only is it funny, but it's also comfortable to wear. Enjoy your game in style and with a smile. This tee is perfect for a relaxed day on the green. Looking for a gift for the golfer in your life? This t-shirt is a fantastic choice. It's humorous, practical, and sure to be appreciated. Give the gift of laughter. What we like. This t-shirt features a humorous golf-related slogan that's sure to get a chuckle on and off the course. Made for comfort, it's perfect for casual wear. If you're a golfer who loves to express your sense of humor, or you're searching for the ideal gift for a golf-loving friend, this shirt is a winning pick. It's designed for anyone who enjoys a good laugh and wants to share their love for golf in a fun way. What people say. These decals are a great way to customize your golf cart. The quality of the material is excellent, and they are very durable. The application process was straightforward and easy to follow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.